This PowerPoint presentation, How to Look Up Definitions and History of New Words in Online Dictionaries, will hopefully help you to do your first vocabulary assignment, which is to look up the definitions of new words and write your own sentences with new target words and find the original languages which the words came from. Four well-known free online dictionaries include Google, Merriam-Webster Dictionary.com, and OED, which stands for Online Etymology Dictionary. Go to Google and type quantify into the search box. Press the enter or return button to view the results of your search. When you look for a definition of quantify on Google, your first two results will be two definitions of quantify in the Google Dictionary. To find the history or origins of a new word, scroll down under the definitions from Oxford Languages and click Translations and More Definitions. The root is a basic unit of a word. The root of the word quantify is quantus, which means how much in Latin. The Latin root came from the medieval Latin verb quantificare. Therefore, there is a connection between the English verb quantify and the medieval Latin verb quantificare. Go to Google and look up the definitions of alchemist, then look up the definition of caravan. Notice that dictionary appears. Then you see the word alchemist. Google Dictionary gives two definitions of an alchemist. The first definition, a person who practices alchemy, has a green check beside it. However, the second definition might also apply to what an alchemist is, a person who transforms or creates something through a seemingly magical process. Like Google Dictionary, Merriam-Webster.com gives you definitions, example sentences, and the history of most words in English. However, Merriam-Webster is more likely to contain more information about the etymology or the history of each word which you look up. Google may not consistently provide the history of all the words which you look up. You may need to use an online etymology dictionary such as OED.com, Online Etymology Dictionary, to discover the history of a particular word such as alchemist. On edyonline.com, students will find the languages which a word came from. For example, alchemist came from the Old French word alchimiste around 1510. The Old French word was taken from the medieval Latin word alchemista. Therefore, the word alchemist changed over hundreds of years, yet alchemist maintained its basic root, chim, which came from chem in medieval Latin. If you want to find the language and base words which a particular word came from, all you need to do is scroll down the page for the word and click the link which begins with Learn More About. Once you have clicked Learn More About, you will find historical information about a particular word. For example, when you investigate the origins of caravan, you learn about the first known use of caravan as a noun, which was in 1588, and its definition was the same one as the definition 1A for caravan in slide 10. The definition of caravan is a company of travelers on a journey through a desert or hostile regions, also a train of pack animals. As slide 15 shows, Google Dictionary provides you with definitions and example sentences consistently. Also, under the definition and example phrase are similar phrases and words such as grazing land, grazing, grassland, grass, pasture land, and pasturage. Some of these phrases are rarely used in English. Nevertheless, these expressions may help some Google Dictionary users understand the meaning of pasture. The images of pasture may further aid Google Dictionary users in understanding the meaning of pasture. Slide 16 shows that Google Dictionary provides the basic history of words in the section Origin. You need to scroll down almost to the end of the definition to find the origin of a word in Google Dictionary. Also, not all words in Google Dictionary will have their origins listed. That's why you should use https www.etyonline.com to find the history of a word. Slide 16 shows that Merriam-Webster Dictionary Online, like Google Dictionary, provides definitions of words. Also, you can click on the thesaurus, the link with the brown background. In the thesaurus, you will find synonyms of words which have similar meanings to pasture. By clicking the More About link under the definition of pasture in the Merriam-Webster Dictionary online, you can find out the etymology of each word which interests you. Etymology means the origin of words and the ways in which the words have changed throughout time.